In this video, so this is a simple design we designed till now, but as per this Figma, I need to match this design with this, right? So the car, this is okay. We need to show like this. The title should be bold, and this is a manual or automatic, and this is a price and the stars. I think in this data, maybe stars have no data, the rating, and this is a favorite icon. So this design I'm going to design in this video. Okay. So as per this code, already we designed the simple card using this card widget. Okay, I didn't change any code in the car list screen because of the list builder already we are displaying on that. But in this list builder, we load this widget. Just I need to change this class only. Okay. In this, in this, as per this, the car is display here. Okay. And this information both are column. These two information both are the column. All are three. These are the render in the row. Okay. So go here and name and yeah, let's remove this one. Okay. So until the cache network is okay, after the cache network, see after the cache network image, I need to put some space between that, or else I will put some padding to the network image. Okay, I will put a padding all. After this, I will load a row. I will load a row. Okay, so inside the row, there is a widgets. There is a two widgets. Okay, what is this? Name and this is transmission is a two things render in the column, and these two render in the column. The both are render inside the row. Okay, for this I will take a column, the children. Okay, and comma children. Okay, for now I'll put a constant here. Okay, now in this column I will load here card data. So let's remove the constant here because we are accessing the dynamic data, right? Card data dot here. What is the property called? The name. Where is the name? Brand name. Okay. This is the name of the car. Why it's showing? Okay, name. Okay, name of the car. And what is the next transmission? Okay, car data dot transmission. It's a manual or automatic. Okay, both are loaded in the column like this. Okay, and here the information. Let me check the data. Okay, so where is the data? In the response, price is there. So there is no rating for this one, right? I don't have any rating page. So here, instead of the rating, I can show the what is the type of the fuel. Okay, text widget car data dot fuel type. Okay, and then next pricing. Okay, the pricing I want to display. Okay, this pricing is the pricing is uh this a number. Directly we can't render inside the text. Car data dot price per day. Okay, after this slash per day as per this Figma. Okay, by day, right? So by day. And now this is information we are displayed on the designed as per the Figma now. Now let's see run this program. Now see Toyota, petrol, automatic per day, but it's not aligned properly. Okay. So what is the see in this column? I want to go right side of the screen. This is left side of the screen. Row has a one property called space between main axis element dot main axis element dot space between. If you use this property, it's moving left and right side. Okay, it's moving. See, left side one item and right side is another item. Now, now design is done little bit, but I want to apply some font and some padding between everything. Okay, let's do the padding for the column now. Some padding. I want to add some padding. And here also, let me add some padding. Now see the output here. I added some padding here. Till this is more to the left right side, right? Let's okay. But this is not aligned properly, these two. Okay, again, the main axis has main axis element. Uh, this is a cross axis, right? So because of from the row, it's started from the here. The main axis and cross axis center. Main axis start and cross axis center. But here, so here we can observe here. So here Toyota and automatic it's not start from the beginning of the screen. Okay. Okay. So now we can see these two are rendered in the column. These two are rendered in the column. This is a name and transmission. Okay, and other two is rendered in the petrol and price per day is rendered in the here. Okay. Now here now we can see these are not aligned properly. That meaning is so I need to change the cross axis element to start. Okay, now see, and here also cross axis element dot end. It should just end from the screen. Now see, the both are aligned properly and everything is now we can see I need to put some spacing between the two things. Put a sized box as height is 10 as put a like a comma. And this is a constant value, right? That's why I put a constant keyword. The same thing I will place here also. Now see some gap is added here. And now next I want to apply the font. This is a font style. Let's see the font. What is the font here? The property are bold uh, and 14 pixels. Okay, go here and types in the style. Okay, style, text style. The font size is the 14 and the font weight is font weight dot bold and put as a constant keyword and the same thing I will use here also. Let's see the output. Yeah, something is changed and the same style I can apply for the price. Let's apply to the automatic, but I change the font weight. Font weight is W. Let's give the 400. Okay. WRLs 700. 700 also similar to bold. Let's give the 500. Now it's okay. The petrol, the transmission period type. Let's give the price like that. Okay, so now this is a uh, design, and here one thing is I want to add a color of the background color of the card. Okay, color, colors, white color. That's Now see the card is okay, right? Now you can see the card. It's added a white color. This is everything about the card design, the car list screen, and the scaffold. What is the scaffold? Here also change the background color, colors dot white color. Now see, now this is design like card, and here also in the app bar, what is the app bar is there? In app bar also I'll change to background color to white. Okay, now see, now here why see. One thing is when I click on the login, it's not display the arrow here. That meaning is we need to remove the existing stacks from the navigator, and this home screen need to load from the very fresh. That meaning is instead of the push, we need to use the replace other navigation property methods. Okay, so I will explain the next video. For now, I have designed the list view as for the Figma. Here I need to place the some like icon. I will add a letter. This is about the car. Okay. Now in the scaffold as a other property called floating action button. Okay. The floating action button is like it's a floating action button. This way is a display on the right side corner. Okay. The floating action button, it's display the right side of the below corner. Okay. And child icon of icons dot add the plus icon. Let's see the constant. Let's open this. Now see the icon added in that, right? You can see here this plus button. Okay, this is a floating action button of the scaffold. When I click on this button, I want to add the one new car. That car will add that car. This will call this API. In this API, we are going to upload the image also. Upload the image also. So when I click on this plus button, I will navigate to create car screen. There, fill all the information, and after getting that information, that data is displayed in the cars list. Okay, so that is I will cover in the next video.